Hello everyone, Daniel Yuck here. Thank you all for tuning in today. I appreciate you. Today I want to make a quick video and share with you all how I go about tattooing fine lines. Let's jump right on into this. Please keep in mind the settings that I am using are going to vary from the settings that you're using and will vary from setup to setup. So for this demonstration, I'm going to be using the Neuma 4 tattoo machine along with the Inkclaw C-Charge wireless power supply and an Inkclaw standard 5-round liner. I am using dynamic black tattooing ink along with True Skin Fake Skin. I will leave links for you in the description below so you can check this stuff out on your end. So for me personally, when I am tattooing fine lines, I'm typically running my voltage at about 6 volts, anywhere from 5 to 7. It just depends on a machine. So for example, the Neuma machine hits a little bit harder, so I'll probably run at about 5.5, whereas we have, let's say, a CNC Q1 or Q2 hits a little bit softer than the Neuma 4. I'm probably going to be running at about 6.5 volts to tattoo fine lines. Go ahead, get comfortable with your setup, learn your setup, so that way you are able to really fine tune and dial into the settings that are appropriate for you and the setup that you are using on your end. So for this current setup, I'm running at about 5.56 volts, and as you can see, I have my hand planted down firmly and my hand is 110% comfortable before I commit and pull to the line. So one main important variable that I'm considering, especially when lining with smaller needles, is the comfortability in which I am in before I pull the line. You're also going to notice how steady and consistent I am with how I am moving. I'm not rushing the line, nor am I moving too slow. I'm moving at a steady pace for the current settings that I am personally using right here in these video clips. My logic is to have a certain level of confidence while committing to these lines. I have to have a certain level of comfortability as well upon committing to these lines. So that's the logic behind it. I have to be comfortable and I have to know where I'm going. Like the motions that I am moving in, I have to know that they are comfortable moving in those motions. As you see here, I'm moving slow. My logic is slow is fast, fast is slow. That means when I do the lines slow, steady, and consistent, I only have to go over the lines one time, as opposed to, let's say, with the lack of confidence implemented in that workflow, then I may move a little bit faster because out of fear of damaging the skin or whatever the case may be, resulting in a less consistent line, which means I'm going to have to go back and double up. For me personally, having to double up on a line is something that I try to avoid at all costs. The look that we get when we double up on lines versus the look that we get when we pull single one-pass lines are two completely different looks in my opinion. So being able to commit to the line, knowing where we are going, having that certain level of confidence, having that certain level of comfortability will make or break the lines that we're pulling, and this is just simply how I approach it. If I didn't touch base on anything specific that you may have wanted to know at any point throughout this video, I'm going to encourage you to drop a comment down below and I will do my absolute best to assist you in the best possible direction. I also have social medias all under the same name as this YouTube channel. I have Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. I would truly appreciate your support on there as well. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for me and ring that bell, as I'm going to be bringing more videos like this for you all. Thank you for tuning in yet again. You have a great day.